Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SLP video update, and we're actually sitting at 424 range at the moment. So we've seen Bitcoin making some moves, and right now we're back at the triangle. We're trying to break the triangle or whatever, but we're making an amazing, beautiful looking morning star at the moment, which actually again is turning red at this point of time. But I do recognize that today could be amazing. I just want to show you one thing and compare SLP to Bitcoin at the moment. So Bitcoin is nearly $23,000, and I do have a prediction right now that Bitcoin is interested to move all the way up to $24,200 at the moment. So what does that actually mean for SLP? So you might see SLP again coming up to this line 462, and that's where you might get rejected because you've been rejected once here, second time there, third time here, fourth time, fifth time, and then you might actually push again to the upside, get rejected, and then move again lower to this price level. So you really got to be careful at the moment. There was a good news maybe yesterday about the Federal Reserve announcing some of the hiking rates. I don't know, and that's what actually caused Bitcoin to be pushed to the upside. And I was talking about this one on the signals as well. So if you're not in the signal, I do have 3 more days to close the entries for signals. So do join the Discord, and um, you can watch how to join the the signal. There's an agreement video, but at the description of this video, and you can watch that video. And this is everything you can read about the comment that I had in the market as well. And that's it for today's update on SLP, guys. This one should actually be a technical target based on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin actually pushes it higher, then we're looking for 464, and I actually do believe you're going to do that. But keep in mind, this is a morning star that has already formed, and you don't want to lose 379. If you do start to lose 379, then we're going to see what happens later. You might actually just lose this level and come down completely to this price target at the moment. And that's it for SLP update. I'm going to see you the next